until they have completed all the other assignments, and I'm sorry, and they will then be given a password to take that exam. So, and then regularly the teachers will be working with the students and talking to them via Blackboard and making sure that they understand everything, kind of doing maybe a little video question and answer type of session. And this right here is something similar to what you might see. This is Blackboard right here. You would have the instructor video up there. We have the chat box for live lessons, and this right here would be a lesson that they would put up on the screen, and they can work with the students on this. So do you have anything to add regarding this, or?
We had a question in the back.
Oh, I'm sorry, I missed a question.
Did you still have a question?
No, actually, she answered it.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
She asked.
Yeah, we do something like this at the lower level in elementary. We don't call them PBAs, we call them Student Connects and Class Connects. So Class Connects are our weekly live lessons that look just like that. We do it in Blackboard with our students, and depending on the grade level, it depends on how many there are a week. And I know Ms. Alma and I pretty much are on the same page, but it's usually almost always math and language arts. And maybe other like fun things added in or built in within each semester. But they're pretty consistent every week that you'll have a set day and time for a math lesson, a set day and time for a language arts lesson. They are, students are not required to go to the live lesson because we understand that a lot of the families do virtual school because they want the flexibility. They don't want to have to be tied to a computer Wednesday at 10. So we always encourage the kids to come, but we also record everything that we do in Blackboard, and the recording link is sent out after the session. So we always want the students to get the material or get the lesson or the skill that we taught, but they can watch it anytime they want to via that recording link.
Is Blackboard an app that can be downloaded, let's say on a Chromebook or whatever? It's just an app, right?
It's
accessible.
You can access it through an app as well as on the computer.
So it's
Like
just
a
connected
website?
to the school website.
Yeah, it's a website, and when you go into Blackboard, it actually downloads the program. I have it on my phone. Like if we do meetings via Blackboard, I could get to it on my phone. I'm not 100% sure about Chromebook. I don't know.
Chromebooks, it doesn't work as well.
Yeah, sometimes Chromebook is a little iffy, but you can access it wherever you have a connection. Yes.
We haven't bought our laptops yet, so you say Chromebooks don't work as well. What have y'all had success with?
Well, and that was what I was going to say, so I was just gonna confirm with you. I know, in the past, when I've had students use Chromebooks with FLVS, high school students, they had a very challenging time uploading assignments through the gradebook. So that may not be the most compatible. Is that what you're still finding with that?
That's what I'm finding, because with the Chromebook, you don't really have...
No Chromebook, okay.
Yeah, you don't really have that Word or anything like that.
Yeah, and they will not upload the assignments.
Right, right.
I'm sorry, that was our first question when we had our meeting at the other place about whether or not we qualified or whatever. We had to come in, what is the computer requirements?
She said Chromebook.
She said Chromebook was fine. So,
Oh,
I mean, this is something
okay.
that needs to be solved from the beginning, because we were told that would be
We bought
fine.
one for her already.
Okay.
Because she said it was open. She said, please go ahead and buy a Chromebook. It doesn't need to be anything special.
That was our very first question. What kind of computer does she have to have? What are the requirements?
Okay, I do have a Chromebook at home. I have not tried it myself, but I can try that and make sure that we...
I'd like to speak to the Chromebook. The Chromebooks have accessibility, but they do not have full compatibility.
Right.
There are major, and I say that I just want to be very transparent, workarounds that would have to take place in order for a student to be able to utilize a Chromebook. So there is some accessibility, but I would strongly recommend a PC. Even Mac is something that's, you're going to have full functionality. A Chromebook will give you some. Even an iPad is something that would work more readily than a Chromebook. So I want to make sure that that is clear. So thank you for letting me know that. it is certainly my honest and transparent recommendation that a different device be utilized for optimal
So if we
success.
already have an iPad with the Chromebook, it's probably fine between the two.
Okay,
Right?
and then if you have a PC for your printing, or if you can print from the other device, then you should be all right.
No, we'll bring some iPads. Thank you.
Thank you.
A question, the new Macs, they're not usually, they don't have Word, they have this thing called Pages. Is that,
Okay.
I know when I send documents out, it converts into Word, but the latest Macs have this Pages in their Word system.
Okay.
Know about that?
They may have an option when you file
possible to
save
go
to
on
save
and-
as.
I'm sorry, go ahead.
I'm sorry. When you click file and save as, it
Yeah.
may have an option for you to save it as a PDF or save it as.
It does allow you to, put it into a Word document. I'm just
Okay.
thinking of downloading. Is that,
Okay.
but it should be okay.
It
go
should,
either way,
because
right?
these right
Okay.
here, well, the worksheets would be in PDF form.
Okay,
Uh,
okay. So that's.
So that should-
Okay.
that should work.
Okay.
Now, the browser that we recommend using is Chrome. So that may be where the Chromebook came from, but we do recommend using Chrome with the product.
And Safari, is that?
Safari does work as
Okay.
well,
Okay.
yes. Okay, here we go, technology requirements. Okay, in order for this to work, of course, you need to have a laptop or a desktop with an internet connection. Wi-Fi is fine. They're not, like we said, Chromebooks are not fully compatible. Let's see. It helps, especially if you're going to be on a live lesson, it helps to have a microphone. A webcam is nice, it's not required. Printer and a scanner or a cell phone just to upload those assignments. So again, you don't really need that scanner if you have a cell phone you could take a picture or you could scan it on your cell phone and upload it. And of course, with all students, we do recommend a quiet and organized workspace for you. So that's.
There are a number of scanning apps that you can put on your phone. Like I have, what is it? I think it's like Genius Scan or something. So I scan everything and you take a picture of it and then it converts it to a PDF. And
Right.
it's free, yeah.
And also, like, if you have a printer, like, when I got my printer, I had to, like, download an app for my phone to, like, connect the printer to be compatible with my phone, and it automatically, the app for the printer lets me scan. It's very simple. So that's the easiest way. And like she said, there's always workarounds. I know I've had families that, no matter how hard they try, they couldn't utilize, like, the upload feature in whatever program they were learning on, and they would just email me the PDF directly to my school email, and I could grade it and still, put in the points and things like that. So there's ways around it if need be.
Okay, and of course, we do still have the state testing, and everything that's in the modules prepares the students really well for that testing. Grades 3 through 5 have both math and ELA, and grade 5 does an FCAT science test as well. And again, as of right now, they are still all paper-based, which has that, when we work on the worksheets, it has that benefit where they still do have to write versus typing everything. And now again, open to more questions.
Any questions regarding the Chromebook? Go ahead, shoot, it's okay, mom. Supplies? That is a great question. I will turn that over to the teachers.
We always recommend, and we'll talk about this during like our fall orientation before we like really dive in and the first day of school starts. But always just like your basic, we always tell students for every course you have some sort of the little file or a binder that's divided up into sections. So you have a place to keep notes and extra paper, maybe worksheets that you submitted to us and you want to keep a copy of them. We always recommend it. I like, especially in the older grades, we always encourage the kids to take notes, go back and look, because we see that that's when they go to do the module exam or